current flood control scam,
naku.
there is what's your take? Because apparently, the genesis of this whole flood control scam started with the Duterte administration on the build project. So, what's your take on this? What can you say about this?
Alam mo yun nga ang inaano ko eh. In fact, I talked about that yesterday. Sabi ko, kayo nasa media ka ako. Palagi niyong kino-cover yung investigation, filing of complaint. Hindi niyo ba napapansin ka ako na ang hinahabol, lalo-lalo ng ICI, ay ang mga kontratista at ang mga DPWH officers?
Only.
Bakit hindi nahabol yung the source of the corruption? Congress.
Question lang manong Bebot. You were also a legislator.
Yes.
You know how to craft the budget. I also was once a legislator.
Yeah.
Who do you think is the mastermind in this scam? Saldi ko lang to?
Speaker. And yung si Kimbo. Kimbo Stella Kimbo. Yan ang mga mastermind yan.
Because the speaker being the head of the house and Stella being the head of appropriations.
Yes,
so
sila
if you're
mga
going to do that, do you also would conclude on the Senate side, it's a Senate president and the head of finance?
Well, I
Because
don't know.
you cannot do that without the concurrence of all these four
In
people.
fairness, I do not know how the Senate operates. I can only talk about the Congress.
Let me also ask this, Manong Bebot. Do you think Malacanang is free from the manipulation of the budget? O may knowledge ba sila?
Kasama yan. No, hindi naman papa-approve mo yung yung budget without the...
So you're saying si
knowing.
Pangandaman kasama dapat sa budget secretary?
As DBM?
Well, I don't know. Kasama siya pero whether it is willingly or unwillingly is another thing.
Alam mo, Manong Edwin, we work under 3 presidents together. Diba? Never kong nakita na at the level of ASIC level, may nagmamanipulate ng budget. Ang sinasabi ko lang mo, yung konteksto ng corruption ngayon, ang taas ng allegations, executive secretary,
Yes,
secretary,
yes.
undersecretary, ASIC, director. They were empowered. Hindi man siguro empowered, no? Pardon me for my French. But they had access to funds. Maraming USEC, ASIC, which were branded as, because they came from the Senate, kabisado yung budget process. So merong ganito, 5 taong to, ganyan, blah, blah, blah. So, yun lang ang sinasabi ko. So, to me, command responsibility, probably mismanagement, ang nangyayari.